Hi guys, so today we will be talking about YouTube premieres. Do you know what a YouTube premiere is? Did you know that YouTube are releasing premieres 2.0? Stick around if you want to know more. Today we'll be talking about YouTube premieres. I'll start by giving you a quick history behind premieres if you don't know what that is and how they can benefit your channel. So YouTube premieres were launched in 2018 and they're an opportunity for you to engage and watch your latest creation together with your viewers. YouTube premieres allow you to pre-schedule your latest video upload and create some sort of buzz or hype around it. So you can share it on all your social media platforms. You can share your shareable watch page on your community tab. And you can take this opportunity to remind your viewers to set the reminder so they don't miss it. You can also share your shareable watch page on all your social media platforms. So whether that's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever platform you choose to engage with. So the first feature that I'll be talking to you about today is live redirects. A live redirect works in two ways. So the first way is to link your live stream directly to your premiere. You may want to do this to create some hype or excitement about your latest creation. So just before you end your live stream, you tell your followers or your viewers to hold on for 2 seconds so they don't disappear, and then end your live stream and you'll all be transferred over to your premiere. In order to pair your live stream with your premiere, you just have to create your live stream and then select edit, and then there will be a live redirect page which will allow you to select the premiere that you want to link your live stream to. The other way that live redirects works is from a premiere to a live stream. And a nice use case for that one may be for a post-premiere Q&A, which allows your audience to stick around, ask you questions. Maybe you can go into a bit more detail about what was in the video. Let me know in the comment section below why you might use a post-premiere live stream. In order to link your premiere to a live stream, you'll need to upload a video, set its visibility to premiere, and then you will see a send viewers to a live stream option. And there you can select a pre-scheduled live stream or premiere. So it looks like you can actually link a premiere to a premiere. So that's live redirects. Looking forward to that feature to be released. Trailers are another way to create some hype or excitement for your audience prior to your upcoming premiere. A trailer needs to be between 1 minute and 10 minutes in length. It needs to be the same aspect ratio as your upcoming premiere, and they also advise that you put a countdown timer on this video. So your audience will no longer have to wait and watch your static thumbnail. They will actually be engaged and get excited about your upcoming premiere. So the next feature that I'll be focusing on is YouTube custom themed countdowns. We currently only have one countdown theme, but YouTube are due to release over 10 custom themes over the months of 2021. The other features, as far as I'm aware, started rolling out in 2020, December, and will continue to roll out in 2021. I'm still waiting in the UK for my updates. So the most exciting feature for me personally is the ability to set up premieres directly from the YouTube app on your mobile phone. And for me, that's most important because I do everything on my phone and I'm mostly on the move and I don't always want to bring up my laptop to do this. If you have over 1,000 subscribers, you'll be able to access this capability. Once this is released, if you're just getting your 1,000 subscribers, you may have to wait a week. So please be patient. I am patiently waiting, even though I have 1,000 subscribers. These features have not reached the UK shores, or at least has not reached my account yet. let me know in the comment section below if you have this capability already, and let me know what you think. Are you excited about it? And what kind of videos do you think it would be best useful for? Yeah, so hope you found this video useful. Look out on your YouTube Studio dashboard to see whether you've got these new features. And if you have the YouTube app on your mobile phone, look out for the ability to schedule your upcoming premieres directly from your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. Bye.